You know what this view needs? You guessed it, a porch swing, or a couple porch swings for that matter. This is kind of like the formal living room and looks out onto this adorable little porch, which I love, and I have a vision for it already. Alrighty, hello friends. We are officially at the new house and we can put up our porch swings on the patio. So if you're new here, go watch this video. This is where I put together one of these porch swings at my parents' house to make sure that I loved them and liked them. I love a good porch swing. I love sitting outside on a porch swing. So I got two single person porch swings, I guess, from Home Depot, and I am obsessed with them. I love them so much. All right, let's put them together. It is porch swing day. I'm so excited. We've enlisted Dad and let's get started. Okay, so the one thing that my dad pointed out, so the previous owners were clutch and they put in this big rod because the studs will go this way, so they'll go away from the house. And so by putting in, oh, there's a wasp. So by putting in this rod, you can essentially kind of put your swings wherever you want to. So that was really, really good. My dad was saying that this is a 1x6, so it's only 1 inch thick. In a perfect world, you want a 2 inch thick. So, but we're gonna see if it holds, fingers crossed. Okay, so we did some math to figure out how far apart we wanted the porch swings from the current hooks that are up there. Right there. Ooh, it is a blustery day. Ooh. So the math that we just did was we took the measurement between the armrests, so that's 24, and then we ended up subtracting the length of, where is it? The current bracket, so I think that was 5 inches. So 19 divided by 2, and then we also halved it. So anyway, we came up with that we need 12.5 inches from the end of each bracket, and so that is what my dad is measuring out, and that's where we will put our hooks. So the plan is to essentially split the bracket. So we will have 2 strings coming down on either side of each one, and that will be where the porch swings are. Oh, they're not there right now.
Really? Yeah, this one? Okay, good. Okay.
Hey, he only has one friend. Okay.
I didn't see many.
I only saw 2 of them.
Yeah. So,
no, I just started from somewhere.
okay.
And
Yep.
alright, so
We had to count.
yeah, we
Was
did.
it, guys? Yeah. Right.
Okay.
That was good the way it is.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, okay.
I think I can sit there.
Actually, so we got something wrong here because there's no way to go that high.
that's already the highest on the back. So I think we got it backwards. Did we? The long and the short. Something's wrong.
No, because we just need to bring this down over here.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't realize you could be. Okay. All right.
Oh, it's harder than it looks.
Yeah, I know. You gotta lift it. It's heavy. Okay.
And then we'll raise the whole thing up, right?
Well, okay. Let's look at the back. Back side. Look at the back here. Well, you're right. Quite a bit lower. Yeah. So.
I think we just keep going down until it's level.
That's true. Well, I guess you could.
Sorry, just keep going down until it's level, like
Well,
right there.
that's like on the ground.
I know, then we'll raise the whole thing up. Remember?
Okay. All right.
Like at your house?
All right. So further. Oh, I see.
And then
I got
and then you
Then
go up
pull the whole
there
thing
and you do the whole thing up.
Yeah. Okay, gotcha. Okay, good. We want to go back a little more? Is that sitting? No, it's sitting pretty
Wait,
good.
let's count our things.
Okay.
Wait. We count from the top?
Well, if you want to raise the whole thing, we just count the top. But then we raise it, then we count how many it was, and we just do it the same way.
Okay.
So, the question is it flat? Or you want to lean further back? Or lean...
No, I just want it to be flat.
So, does that look good?
It looks good right now, but let's raise it up some and then I'll test it.
Yeah.
And then we'll
All right.
count. So
Are we
we'll
on the
officially.
right? Boom!
Stop! I like it because you can still wave your legs.
Okay.
So I got
You don't think it's leaning forward too much?
Is it leaning forward at all?
No, when you're leaning, when you sit, you're not pitching you forward. You want to sit back a little bit? Pitch forward a little bit?
Would you go this way?
You drop this one here back down. So you take this here, drop it down.
Yeah.
Two legs.
You can try it.
Yeah. Okay.
Drop it down
For
one.
one leg. Okay.
I wish you drop it with another one.
Okay. One. Got the eye doctor to it? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Is this one better or worse?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Now, you're only inches away from the brick.
I'm not swinging like I'm a kid at a
I know.
playground.
I'm just saying because Charlie will. So, but then again, you're right because if you brought it forward, you won't have room to walk.
You can't do it, yeah.
Yeah.
No,
So,
we're good.
okay.
That would just be ridiculous, Dad.
The head would be a little too much.
2 is fine. 3 is ridiculous. 2 is the limit.
Yeah, the bed up here would be a little reductious.
Oh, wait. Do you want to raise those up 10? Before we hang it?
Good point. Good point. That's good. Looks low to me. It looks like it's going low.
Here it
But
is.
if he's, well, you know what, we need the level. That's when you know. Okay. And